When someone has arthritis, in particular arthritis of the hip, the main symptom is going to be pain. Well, typically when people have hip pain that's coming from hip arthritis, osteoarthritis, they have pain which is usually located in the groin, sometimes in the upper thigh area, sometimes on the outside part of the hip, but usually it's in that general area. Now sometimes the pain can go down a little bit down the leg, but whenever pain is going down the back of the leg or in the back of the hip, that's always concerning that there may be something else going on. Now the other thing that we see a lot, the other symptom, is loss of motion. The hip's a ball and socket joint and it has a very large range of motion. Typically when people start developing arthritis, they start losing some of that motion. Well, the good thing about hip replacement is that we basically remove the arthritis. The arthritis is completely gone. The other nice thing is I do a type of hip replacement that's a very minimally invasive type of approach. So the incisions are going to be smaller, the dissection is going to be smaller, and generally the recovery is going to be a lot faster.